Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how I paid to a Fiverr to create Shopify Dropshipping Store. In this video, I'll show you an expert who will build your Shopify Dropshipping Store as like me. So I'm today showing this is Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing marketplace. There are so many experts for build your Shopify Dropshipping Store. I hire an expert who will build a Shopify dropshipping store is a very reasonable price and doing everything for me. So there are so many experts and budget friendly and also expert operated freelancer for build my Shopify dropshipping store. So I'll show you he he create Shopify dropshipping store for me. His name is Shah. He's have 4.9 rating, 7.1 review. So he is a very professional and level 2 seller. Already one order in queue. He create my Shopify dropshipping store for me, and his basic price only $10 and a standard price $60 and premium price $100. I take his standard service. He create my for professional Shopify dropshipping store and give to into winning products plus premium thing and also SEO friendly page, apps, logo, function, website, and he take 4 days within time for delivery for Shopify store. So I take service from him. He he complete my Shopify dropshipping store everything. So he's very professional. He have 71 reviews and already one order in queue and 4.9 rating he have. So I hope you understand. If you want to build your Shopify dropshipping store, you can contact with him, or there are so many experts here for Shopify store development. So they can help you to build your website. So there are so many experts. I think you understand. You can contact with them before placing order. How many budget you have, and how many time he need. Everything you can discuss about before placing order. So I hope you understand. There are so many experts. There are so many creator for cheap price, medium price, and high price. Anything. There are so many experts, and there are so many agency for build your Shopify dropshipping store. I hope you understand. I will add this link on my description below on this page. You can check out and you can contact with them for build your Shopify dropshipping store, and you can do everything. So this video will help you. Please like, share, and subscribe our video. I will share valuable video every day for you. Thank you so much.